Why do people think your knuckles crack because your bones are snapping? Most people think it's your bones hitting each other, but that's not totally true. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus and leave a heart for him. The sound comes from tiny gas bubbles in the joint fluid forming and collapsing. It's not bones cracking, just a natural reaction inside your joints. How many times did I say crack?